Hi everyone, my name is John, and in this video we're going to talk about structured scopes. Structured scopes can be found at the very bottom of policy pages, and are a great way to let hackers know what assets you care most about. If you're looking to ensure that hackers stay within the boundaries of your program policy, clearly defining your in-scope and out-of-scope assets removes any guesswork for the hackers, and also ensures that their testing is focused on the assets that you specify. You can use structured scopes to show what assets are in scope and out of scope, show what the maximum severity level is for each asset, and also specify whether an asset is eligible or ineligible for a bounty. Let's take a look at how we can set up structured scopes on our own program. In order to add a structured scope, first log into HackerOne, then click on Settings at the top bar. Within the Settings page, click on Program. On this Program page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Add Asset button. Here's where you can add details about your asset, which will appear in structured scopes. You can begin by selecting which type of asset you'd like to add. HackerOne allows you to choose from a large variety of options to add to your scope, including executables, source code, mobile apps, and more. For this example, I'm going to be using the domain type, and fill out the identifier with my URL. If I want to receive reports related to this asset, then I want to make sure that the asset is eligible for a submission. I'm going to leave the Yes option selected here. I also want this asset to be eligible for a bounty, so I'll leave Yes selected here as well. This next section has to do with the environmental score. By adjusting the maximum impact to confidentiality, integrity, and availability, I can see what the maximum severity rating is for this asset. Finally, the instruction section is where I can leave a message to the hackers as to what happens in this domain, along with focus areas and examples of vulnerabilities I'd like to receive. The optional reference section allows me to leave a message only visible to my team. Once we finish adding all the necessary details on this page, I can click on Add Asset to automatically display the structured scope on my policy page. I'm going to click on Add Asset and then show you what the policy page looks like. As you can see, the asset we just added is now visible on the policy page. In order to make changes to the structured scope, we need to head back to the policy page, and then click on Edit next to the asset we want to change. In the event that you no longer want to include the asset in your structured scope, you can click on the Archive button to remove it entirely from your program. Click on Confirm to complete the change, and your structured scope will be updated in real time on your policy page. Thanks for watching this product training video. We're here to help if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out to your program manager at HackerOne, or send an email to support@hackerone.com.